welcome you all in e-learning. Today we are going to learn about standard 6 subject Sanskrit. Chapter number 6 Bhavatu Bharatam. The translation of the title is May India Become. Dear students, this 6th chapter is from the second semester book. Now this lesson, chapter number 6 Bhavatu Bharatam, it's a poem and this is one of the patriotic song or poem which can be sung melodiously. Now here in the present chapter, a beautiful song praising the India, Mother India has been given. The wish that India progress day by day has been expressed in this song. Due to the melodious refrain, the song can be sung easily. See the poem Bharatam Bharatam Bhavatu Bharatam Sakti Samrudham Yukti Samrudham Sakti Yukti Samrudham Bhavatu Bharatam Shastradharakam Sastradharakam Sastra Sastradharakam Bhavatu Bharatam रीति संस्कृतम नीति संस्कृतम रीति नीति संस्कृतम भवतु भारतम कर्मनैष्ठिकम धर्मनैष्ठिकम कर्म धर्मनैष्ठिकम भवतु भारतम भक्ति साधकम मुक्ति साधकम भक्ति मुक्ति साधकम भवतु भारतम 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 भवतु भारतम. Now let us see the whole poem with words and its meaning. Bharat. The word Bharat means India, the nation, right? Bhavatu Bharatam. So in the first line of the poem, they wants to say us that India, my country, may you become Sakti Samrudham. Sakti means energy, right? Sakti means energy. Yukti Samruddham. Yukti, here the word Yukti means skills, right? So Sakti Samruddham, Yukti Samruddham. May India, our country, became full of energy, right? And also full of skills. Why? Because if India is having full of energy and full of skill, then it can fight with anyone, right? So, India, my country, may you become full of energy to protect yourself and others. India, my country, may you be full of skills to attain self-progress. In this way, my India, my country, be full of energy and skill. In the very first stanza of the poem, the poet wants to say that may our India, our country, become full of energy. Became full of energy means Sakti Samruddham. Became full of energy. Why? Because to protect yourself as well as others. And another word is used, Yukti Samruddham. The word Yukti, here the meaning of this word is skills. May India attain full of skill. So if it has a full of skill, then it can survive or it can be full of self-progress. Right? So in the very first stanza of the poet wants to say us that India, my country, may you become full of energy. May you become full of energy. Why? To protect yourself and others. And may you become full of skills. So in this way, right? In this way, my India, my country, be full of energy and skills. Now let us see the word meaning. Sakti Samruddham. Sakti Samruddham. skill, may our country, may India be full of energy and skills. Sastradharakam, Sastradharakam, Sastra Bhavatu Bharatam. The word Sastra means weapons, and Sastra means books, right? So here in the second stanza they wants to say us that Sastradharakam, Sastra, as I have told, arms and ammunition, and Sastra, so the power of sciences, right? So here they wants to say us that may India, my country, become the possessor of the latest arm and ammunition and the power of sciences. In this way, may India, our country, became power with arms, ammunition and the sciences. So Sastradharakam, Sastradharakam. Sastra means arms and ammunition and Sastra means power of science. So here they wants to say us that may India, our country, be full of power and with arms and ammunition and power of science. The word Sastradharakam means possessor of arms and ammunition. And Sastradharakam means power of science. So may India, my country, become the possessor of arms, ammunition and the power of sciences. In this way, may India, our country, gain power with arms, ammunition and the science. Third stanza, Riti Sanskritam, Niti Sanskritam, Riti Niti Sanskritam, Bhavatu Bharatam. Now, here the word Riti Sanskritam. Riti means here the word is used as a culture, right? Culture. As you know that Indian people are known for their culture, their tradition, their customs. So here in the very first word, they wants to say us that may India, my country, became one with a cultured lifestyle. Niti Sanskritam. So Niti, the word Niti is used here as ethics or discipline, right? As ethics or disciplines. So Riti Niti Sanskritam Bhavatu Bharatam. Bhavatu Bharatam means make India become. Bhavatu Bharatam means make India become. So may India become full of proper methods, ethics and cultured lifestyle. So word meaning Riti Sanskritam, Niti Sanskritam. Riti Sanskritam means one with a cultured culture lifestyle. Then Niti Sanskritam means with ethics, right, and discipline. Next, कर्म नैष्टिकम, धर्म नैष्टिकम, कर्म धर्म नैष्टिकम भवतु भारतम. Karma, karma means deed or work, right? Or duty also we can use the word. Dharma naistikam, dharma means religion, right? And faithful to religion. So may India, my country, be faithful to duty and become faithful to the religion. In this way, may India be full of faithful to both duty and religion. So, karma naistikam, dharma naistikam. Karma means duty and dharma means religion. May India, my country, be faithful to the duty and be faithful to the religion. In this way, may India be faithful to both duty and religion. Karma naistikam, dharma naistikam. Faithful to duty and dharma naistikam. Then, Bhavatu Bharatam means may India become. Last stanza of the same poem. Bhakti sadhakam, mukti sadhakam, bhakti mukti sadhakam, bhavatu bharatam. Bharatam, bharatam, bhavatu bharatam. Bhakti, bhakti and mukti. Right? So, now here, the one who achieves devotion. Right? The one who achieves devotion means bhakti. And mukti means salvation, right? So here in this stanza, they wants to say us, India, my country is one that achieves devotion of the Lord and make efforts for salvation. In this way, may India become the achiever of both devotion and salvation. The word bhakti means devotion and mukti means salvation. So in the last stanza, they wants to say us, the poet wants to say us that may India, the people of India, be achiever of devotion as well as the achiever of salvation. Right? So here our word meaning is written. Now let us see the translation of the same words is. First stanza's translation. May India, my country, may you become full of energy and full of skills. India, my country, may you become full of energy of energy and skill. May India, my country, be full of energy and skills. May India, my country, be full of energy and skills. Second stanza. May India, my country, become of the possessor of arms and ammunition. Next, arms and ammunition and the power of sciences. In this way, may India become, in this way, may India, my country, become powerful with arms and ammunition. Arms and ammunition and the sciences. Now, third number, stanza 3. In that, may India, my country, become one with culture, may India, my country, become one with culture, dृष्टिकोण. Make India my country. Make India my country. May India my country be faithful to. Be faithful to duty and be faithful to. Faithful to religion. Duty and religion. In this way, may India my country be faithful to both duty and religion at all times. Now, last stanza of the same poem is Bhakti Sadhakam, Mukti Sadhakam. India, my country. India, my country. India, my country. India, my country is one that achieves devotion. One which achieves devotion of the Lord. And make efforts for salvation. For salvation. In this way, may India my country. May India my country. Or may India becomes achiever of both devotion and salvation. So here our poem Bhavtu Bharatam, in which we have praised our Mother India as well as we have said about Mother India that India, my country, may you become full of energy, may you become full of skill, right? So second stanza in that we have told that may the India become possessor of arms and ammunition as well as the power of science. So in third stanza we have seen that may India, our country, become one with the culture, lifestyle and discipline. Fourth, in that we have seen may India, our country, be faithful to duty and faithful to the religion. In the fifth stanza we have seen that the one, may India my country, the one that is achiever of devotion and also makes efforts for the salvation. So here our chapter number 6, Bhavtu Bharatam, is over. You may copy down the word meaning as well as translation in your notebook. Thank you.